Eastern aesthetics meets modern design, CIVRO in harmony with nature. Architecture is more than shelter, it's a dialogue with nature. This project is a modern expression of Eastern aesthetics, calm, natural, and seamless. Inspired by traditional Japanese gardens and tatami rooms, the homeowner curated a space where CIVRO's folding and lift slide doors enable fluid transitions between indoors and outdoors. CIVRO systems XW65AN, AD140LS, AD210LS, AD80FD. Architecture flows, and nature becomes part of the living experience.